In this video, I am going to share why savvy investors are secretly buying US Treasury bills to generate more than 4% yield in a couple of months. I'm going to show you 4 things. Number 1, what exactly are Treasury bills? Number 2, what is the estimated return on T-bills right now? Number 3, should you buy and build a Treasury bill ladder? And number 4, I'm going to show you how you can buy and build your own Treasury bill ladder. Let's get right down to it. What are US Treasury bills? Treasury bills are bonds issued by the US federal government that are short-term. Think 3 months, 6, 9 months, or 12 months. The 2 nice things about US Treasury bills are, number 1, it's backed by the federal government, so virtually zero risk. I say virtually zero risk and not just zero risk because every now and then Congress threatens to stop making payments on our debts. The other nice thing about buying US Treasury bills is they are exempt from state and local income taxes. One unique thing about US Treasury bills that you're going to notice when you're about to buy them is you're not going to see interest income line item, let's say in your transaction history. The way it works is you buy these T-bills at a discount. So let's say I can buy a $100 Treasury bill for $97, so I'm getting a $3 discount, and then when the T-bill matures, I get the full $100. So that's how you make money in a Treasury bill. Number 2, what is the estimated return on Treasury bills? How much are you going to actually make money buying them? Let's go and take a look. As you can see in here, if you buy a 3-month Treasury bill or a 6-month Treasury bill, you can get more than 5% yield. Now, this is going to change daily, but 5% is pretty high. Compare that with a CD at a regular brick and mortar bank. You'll probably get maybe 0.5 or 1% at the most for a 3 or 6-month CD. Compare that with a CD that is available at a high yield bank account that's known for giving high yields. You're probably only going to get maybe 3.3% yield for a 3 and 6-month CD. So 5%, 3 months, 6 months, almost guaranteed return is pretty good. If you look at the Treasury yield for 9 and 12 months, same story. It's currently yielding more than 5%. Although brokered CDs are actually currently yielding a little bit higher than Treasuries. By the way, if you want to learn more about brokered CDs, do check out our video on brokered CDs. So that's why Treasury bills are quite attractive right now. The Washington Post and the Wall Street Journal actually wrote an article about it recently. Should you buy and build a US Treasury bill ladder? Now, you might be asking, what exactly is a Treasury bill ladder? Well, it's when you split your money and buy Treasury bills of varying maturities. So for example, if you have $20,000 in extra cash to invest, instead of just buying it in like 12-month Treasury bill, you split that. So for example, you can buy $5,000 in a 3-month Treasury bill, $5,000 in 6 months, another $5,000 in 9 months, and then the remaining $5,000 in 12 months. What's the advantage of doing a Treasury bill ladder? To diversify your portfolio. Because we don't really know what interest rates will do in the future. If you buy, for example, a 3-month US Treasury bill and interest rates go up, by the time your 3-month Treasury bill matures, you will have money to buy another Treasury bill in 3 months at a higher rate. If interest rates go down after you buy Treasury bills, if you bought a 9 and 12-month T-bill right now, then you would have locked in at a higher rate before the interest rates go down. Full disclosure, I am building a Treasury bill ladder for me and my wife. If you're finding this video valuable, please do click on the subscribe button. Now I'll show you how you can buy and build your own Treasury bill ladder. You can do this through most brokerage firms or directly via TreasuryDirect.gov. Personally, I prefer Vanguard. I find their platform easy to use. So once you log into your Vanguard account, click on My Accounts at the upper left. Then under transactions, click on buy and sell. And then if you scroll down under CDs and bonds, click on trade bonds and US Treasuries. And then click on one of the rates across treasuries. That's where you're gonna see the rate under 3 months or 6 months. Click on one of those rates. And then you're gonna have the option to choose the maturity of your liking. So you can buy 3 months, 6 months, 9 or 12. And if you're buying a Treasury bill ladder or building one, then you'll have to buy 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months, or whatever it is that you're building. After selecting a specific US Treasury bill, you're gonna see a list of various US Treasury bills. You can just select one of them and click on continue, and you can input the amount. Usually it is in $1,000 increments. And then you can click on continue, review your order, then click on submit purchase. Then you can just repeat the process of buying another Treasury bill with a different maturity.